Hi, and welcome to Wise Owl World.
Wow!
Next stage is to draw the picture of the counties so you can visualise them. The sum is 15,236 plus 4,432. First, we need one picture of a county in the 1,000 column, 10,000 column. Then we need 5,000 in the thousands column. Then we need 200s in the hundreds column. Then we need 3 tens in the tens column. And finally 6 ones in the ones column. Then we move on to the next part of the sum. 4,000s need to go in the thousands column. Then we need 400s in the hundreds column. Then we need 3 tens in the tens column. And finally, 2 ones in the ones column. Then we need to add them all up. As there is only 1 10,000s in the 10,000s column, it becomes 1. Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 thousands in the thousands column, it becomes 9. Then to the hundreds column. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So it becomes 6. Then the tens column. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So it becomes 6. Still remembering it's 60. Then onto the ones column. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 8 in the ones column. Then we add the comma. So your final answer is 19,668.